Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm CR Victoria and I'm so excited because here with me I have goodies from the Apple Store. As you can tell from the title of this video, I will be doing an unboxing of my new iPhone. I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the graphite color in 256 gigabytes. I'm upgrading from my iPhone 11 Pro Max in 128 gigabytes. The color I had previously, it was like that green color. I forgot the exact name, but yeah, I mean, it looked green in the light sometimes, but I think it's such a gorgeous phone, but I just felt like I wanted to upgrade because I heard the camera was really good on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I also heard that you can kind of see a difference when you're scrolling through your phone and things like that. So yeah, I just felt like it was due for an upgrade. I want to put a disclaimer, I did buy this with my own money, and it's like my little early birthday gift, so I'm just super excited to do this unboxing video. I love to watch them every single year, so I'm like, I'm gonna do one myself because why not? I haven't really seen anyone unbox the graphite color. I love the graphite. I think it's like a clean, meshed, beautiful combination. It looks the most pro to me. I guess this is like also like a mini haul, low-key. So I'll show you guys the star of the show. I got a screen protector. This is just one I bought from Apple. I'm pretty sure I could have got one cheaper. This was like 40 bucks, but yeah, it's the Ultra Glass screen protector. It's a Belkin one, so I have that. Put that there. And then I got my silicone case. I got the black because my phone's black and I just feel like it makes it cohesive. I'm one of those. And then there's this battery pack. I don't know if it's necessarily necessary, but I saw it and they said if I don't really like it, I can just return it. So I don't know, I want to give it a shot because I know it's compatible with the case, and I feel like if I am on the go, it's nice to kind of have something that's charged up that I just stick to the back of my phone. You know what I mean? So I got that. Last but not least, I just got this regular black pop socket because I love pop sockets and text with one hand and all that stuff. So yeah, that's like my little my little haul. So let's just get to the unboxing. Why don't we? Why don't we just do that? Here it is. Okay, you guys, so off the bat, this phone is absolutely gorgeous. This color, it's definitely like a fingerprint magnet on the sides, I'm not going to lie. but it is just so gorgeous. This color is everything. And then if I like slightly compare the two, let me actually take this case off. So you could tell the colors. Let me bring it closer. The lens, it's huge on this phone. Like when I look at it with my eyeballs, it is significantly larger. I love this green color. I wish they continued it, but they didn't, and it's okay. In regard to thickness, this phone is thicker and it's heavier. I can feel the difference. It definitely feels heavier. The SIM card on the 11 is on the left side, whereas the SIM card on the 13 is on the right side. And yeah. Hello. Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna put on the screen protector and stuff right now. Okay guys, I always struggle with like the pop socket placement, but I feel like this is a good place. I know people tend to like plop it in the middle, but like if you do that, it doesn't work. So I was gonna put a pop socket on it, but I didn't really think about it because I bought this battery. I feel like it's a good thing to have. I don't know. Charge my phone. Hello. Is it necessary? I don't know. I don't know yet. But this thing's like strong. It like stays right in there. But that's unfortunate. I won't be able to use my pop socket, my poppy socket. It's fine. It's okay. So I'm gonna turn on my phone. It's so pretty. I don't want to set it up. It's just too pretty. It's too pretty for me to set it up. I don't want to set it up right now. Literally, it's so pretty. So I'm going to put in English. I am from the United States, if you couldn't tell. United States, quick start. I'm not going to quick start just because I really want to start this phone from scratch. I feel like I need new energy. I always have this bad boy, so I'm not going to like lose anything. Plus, I already have things backed up anyways, so I am not going to quick start. It's not important for me to do that. I'm just going to set up manually. I am also going to pick my Wi-Fi, put in my Wi-Fi password. I see, well, I have a case on it now, but even then you can see the difference in height. I still think this phone is so gorgeous, but it's time. How to set up facing. I have makeup on. Is this like catfish? I looks cute. I look cute doing that. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Okay, guys, so I've officially finished setting up my phone. Ooh, my back hurts. I've officially finished setting up my phone. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it quite yet. I want to customize it and, you know, like get some of those things rolling. This camera is so vivid. I'm not even kidding. This camera is insane. What the heck? New camera, new me. Okay, so to wrap up this video, would I recommend this phone to you? Yes, I would if you are upgrading from like the 11 series or anything prior. I can't really speak on the 12. I know the 12 looks similar. I know there are little differences here and there. I don't know about whether it's worth it. But if you're someone who is upgrading from like the 11 Pro Max like myself, I would definitely consider upgrading to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I think it's so much more smooth, and also I think the camera's absolutely ridiculous. So think about it if it's worth it to you. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more of my videos. I would greatly appreciate it as I'm starting my channel. And yes, leave a comment below on which iPhone you would prefer and what color you like. And yeah, have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.